People of St. Martin, as you all know, Hurricane Maria is heading in our direction. It has developed into a major Category 4 hurricane. St. Martin has been under tropical storm warning since 11 a.m. on Monday. Maria is expected to pass close to us on Tuesday. We should start experiencing the effects from around 12 noon. We can expect up to 6 inches of rainfall and tropical storm force winds. I can understand each and every one of you saying, "Oh no, not again." Indeed, we seem to be under siege by these monster storms. We have survived Hurricane Irma, and I am sure we will survive Maria as well. My biggest concern is that you stay safe. Whatever preparations you have had to do should have been completed by now. If you do not have a roof over your head, or if your house has been severely damaged by Irma, please find a family or friend to stay with to weather the approaching storm. Your life and well-being are all that matter most. I urge every one of you, every neighbor who can offer some kind of shelter, to please open up their doors and hearts to ensure that nobody is exposed to any more danger. We have 7 shelters that will be open. In St. Peter's, the St. Martin Academy; in the Dutch Quarter area, the Dutch Quarter Community Center; in Belvedere, the primary school; the National Institute for Professional Advancement, the NIPA, will be the shelter in Cahill; in K-Bay, the Leonard Connor School; the Mac School at St. John's Estate; and in town, the Little League Ballpark. Fellow St. Martiners, I know without doubt how nerve-wracking all of this experience is, but we've gone through the most powerful hurricane ever to hit the Caribbean, and by God's grace, we will also go through this one. Each storm represents a fresh and new danger to our very existence as a people. Our resilience is being tested to its limit, but we must not be afraid of tomorrow. Each test strengthens our character. Each challenge renews our faith in God and in our unity as a people. For Hurricane Maria, the curfew goes into effect on Monday night tonight at 7 o'clock until further notice. This has been synchronized with authorities on the French half of the island as well. When the weather conditions permit, you will be informed about any changes to the curfew. In the meantime, please stay safe. God bless you and your family. God bless our beloved St. Martin.